Grinnell's community is very much alive and constantly moving and fluctuating.
You can be involved in anything from sports to student government to anything really social justice oriented. You could come up with your own club. There are just like so many clubs out there that I don't even know.
My friends recently created Bread Club where they bake every weekend, but then we also have clubs like Fly Fishing Club.
I would say at Grinnell College, whatever you are interested in, it is supported here. For me, that was musical theater. I'm interested in musical theater, and I was able to complete and create an entire student musical theater organization here.
I feel like a lot of students on campus are very supportive of one another and support each other's interests because we all came here because we are passionate about something or we're searching for those passions.
I've really had the experience to interact and be involved with social activities that are outside of my extracurricular interests as well. And I've been able to do that across the board, and I think there's space for that everywhere here at Grinnell.
There's never a dull moment while you're on campus.